Here I am showcasing the Seabourn Odyssey Guest Room 532. As you enter the room, there's a great sitting area so you can get ready. We had our room set up as 2 king beds and we split it into 2 singles upon the request of our stateroom attendant. Embarkation day, they give you lots of great paperwork of all the wonderful things you can do on your cruise. There's a flat screen TV and a large sitting area. We found this to be a great spacious area to relax before dinner. The view from the room is very spacious, and there's a champagne welcome upon check-in, which is a really nice touch. I love the decor and the style of our accommodations. Looking out on the balcony, the door opens outward and there's 2 really nice relaxing chairs. The table is a full size, so you can definitely dine outside if you wish to enjoy your balcony space in that way. On our cruise, we embarked from Vancouver, and it was a beautiful clear day so we could see lots of the mountains. A great day to embark. Heading back into the room, you can see the door opens outwards again, and we have that great sitting space. Champagne is inclusive on Seabourn cruises. Checking out the bar area, they'll pre-stock this with whatever you wish. This came pre-stocked as it was. We requested the wine of our choice and more sparkling water and champagne. The housekeeping card requests that you let them know what you'd like your bar to be stocked with. They use refillable water bottles, so there's no plastic disposable water bottles on board. This is our walk-in closet with 2 levels, safe, robes, slippers, and it's a really great space. Full-length mirror, and that sitting area for getting ready. I will note here that they did have only a few North American outlets in our stateroom, and if you need to bring an adapter because you don't have European plugs, please do. The bathroom is enormous. Nicely stocked amenities, double vanity, large mirror. And separate from the tub, an upright shower with 2 shower heads, 1 fixed up top. It's a nice shelves and the handheld shower as well. We had a really great stay with Seabourn, and I hope you contact us today for a quote. Prince Adventures, we're here to serve you.